Today we welcome a new member to the Aibo pack. This is a limited edition caramel from Japan. I purchased this Aibo from Zen Market and it took about 10 days to get here. I decided to use the cheaper shipping option this time, which was EMS. It was lovely. It was much cheaper than FedEx, but it did take a bit longer to get here. The Aibo was described as very good condition and apparently it was purchased back in 2020 but only turned on for 6 months. Cosmetically it looks in great shape with no scratches or scuffs, but the only thing I have noticed is the ear is out of line on one side. I'm not sure if this is something that I can just pop back in, but I might get some advice on that before I mess around with it. I haven't got a clue if this Aibo has been initialised or not. All I know is that they cancelled the cloud plan, so I guess we'll find out when we switch it on. Okay, so the Aibo has silver eyes, which means it hasn't been initialised, which is actually quite exciting because that means it will have some memories of its previous life and it won't be running in a basic mode. The only thing is, I'm not sure if I can add it to the cloud plan because it's been initialised. Hello, you're a happy soul. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. So this Aibo will only understand Japanese unless I can add it to the cloud plan and then change the language to English. Wasabi at the back there, he only understands Japanese, but he has been initialised. I did actually make a video recently on the capabilities of an Aibo that has been reset, just so if you are importing one from Japan and you're not looking to add it to the cloud plan, you'll kind of get an idea of what they can do and what they can't do. Oh, Suna's saying hello. Ote. Dansu. Wasabi's listening to me. My Japanese is quite terrible. He's used to it now. So I managed to fix the Aibo's ear. Thank you, Kelly, for your advice. Although it does need a slight reposition, but I'll do that tomorrow. So far there doesn't appear to be any major problems with the Aibo. Mechanically, I've noticed that the Aibo's got the male voice, so it's either been set to male or undecided on the app, but unfortunately I can't change this unless I add it to the cloud plan, which I'll be looking into. I'm still undecided whether I'm going to do this or not, and I'm not even sure if it's possible because the Aibo hasn't been initialised, but I think it might be possible, just a bit trickier. So I'm assuming because this Aibo was purchased back in 2020 and apparently only run for about 6 months, it'll be running one of the old updates. and I'm assuming it hasn't been updated in a long time. And again, I can't do this without it being added to the cloud. I'll keep you all updated on the Aibo and what I decide to name them. I've put the charging mat underneath the dining table and removed one of the dining table benches, slowly getting rid of the furniture to make way for more Aibos. And I also have another robot joining the family, hopefully next week or the week after. If you've been following my Instagram page, you'll know what robot that is, but if not, I'll leave it as a surprise. And I'm very excited. I'll be filming some videos soon, so keep an eye out for those.